Yeah. Maganda araw mga kautol. And for today's video ay tuturo naman natin ang New York Dance Challenge. So bago natin simulan yung tutorial, ay i-mirror muna natin itong video. Let's go! So ayun na nga mga kautol, mirror tayo. Ibig sabihin kung nakaharap ka sa akin kung ano yung side na igagalaw ko, ayun din ang side na igagalaw mo. Ito ang ating kanan at ito ang ating kaliwa. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Simulan natin sa figure 1. Para sa figure 1 natin mga kautol, so magmumove lang yung right foot natin to the right and then magmumove siya dito sa harap ng left. Okay, so medyo paharap. Boom. And then after that ay babalik siya to the original position habang yung left foot naman natin ay magmumove backward. Okay, pag nag-move backward yung left, i-close lang natin siya to the original position at saka tayo lulundag gamit yung kanan and kaliwa. Okay? And then, ang kasabay na kamay nun, nakaganyan lang tayo. Yan, sa harap. Okay, so magmumove lang si right, then front and original position, and then back si left, and then close, and then pag nag-jump tayo, igaganon lang natin yung kamay natin. So cross and then open. So it's boom. Okay, so gawin natin yung part na yon. It's boom, 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 and boom. Okay, and then after that ay kukuha lang tayo dito sa kanan. Okay, kuha ng pagganon. So, papasok and then medyo i-step lang yung right foot natin and then to the left. Okay, so it's boom, then boom, parang pumipitik and then sa right kukuha tayo ng dalawa. Papasok, habang pumapasok yung tuhod natin, papaloob, kuha, then kuha. And then yung left arm natin ay nandito lang sa gilid. So, pag ginawa natin si figure 1 from the top, sabayan nyo ako mga kautol, it's boom, 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 and boom, and boom, boom, and boom, boom. So, pag nilagyan natin ang countings in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is our figure 1. Para naman sa figure 2 natin mga kautol, so from here, okay, step lang natin yung right foot natin backward. Okay, so from here, back, and then yung left foot natin to the side ng left, and then magpo-forward si right foot na nasa back. Okay, so ulitin natin yon. It's right, left, right. Gagawin natin to the other side, left naman ang mag-back, to the side yung right, and then magpa-front si left. Okay, gawin natin yung sa paa. It's boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. And then yung kamay natin, pagpapunta tayo dito, i-extend lang natin yung right arm natin to the side ng right. Okay, so it's boom, boom, boom. And then pagpapunta naman tayo dito, yung left naman natin ang i-extend natin, which is back, or mag-move na backward, boom, boom. Okay, so pag ginawa natin yung part na yun, it's boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. Then, after that, ay open yung kamay natin. Step right foot, open. Step left foot, cross. Okay? So, open, cross. And then, after that, uulitin natin yung step natin kanina, which is right, front, original, back yung left, and then original, and then lundag. Pero this time, lalagyan natin siya ng movement ng kamay. Hindi tayo nakaganon. So, ang magiging movement ng kamay is boom, parang susundan natin siya ng turo. It's boom, 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 and boom. Okay? So, pag ginawa natin si figure 2 from the top, sabayan nyo ako mga kautol. It's boom, 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 and boom, 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 boom. Pag nilagyan natin ang countings in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is our figure 2. So ano pang hinihintay natin mga kautol? Sabay-sabay natin sayuin ang New York. In 1, 2, 3, let's go! So mga kautol, kung nagustuhan nyo yung tutorial natin for today, ay don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And click the bell button para lagi kayo updated sa mga moves ng inyong kautol. Hanggang sa muli. Babush!